William, how old are you? How old are you?
Oh, go now. Go.
Are y'all climbing all over my sewing machine?
Wow. Go.
Hey, Willow. Did you bite Will last night? William, did you bite Ashlyn?
No.
Did Willow bite you? You see your sissy out there? Can you say Ashlyn?